Hello, welcome to the Healant channel. Before we start, I kindly ask you for a very important favor. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our content about health, well-being, and quality of life. Here, our commitment is to you, helping to transform your health with simple, natural, and accessible solutions, especially for those over 50. Let's embark on this journey of self-care together. Have you ever stopped to think about how simple daily choices can profoundly impact your health, especially after the age of 50? At the Healant channel, we believe that nature offers us powerful tools to live with more health, energy, and quality of life without needing to resort to complex or expensive solutions. Today, I want to share with you a simple recipe, a true hidden gem among natural remedies that can help reduce bloating, improve digestion, and even decrease that stubborn abdominal fat that insists on sticking around. Our ancestors knew this. They relied on the generosity of the earth and the simple remedies it offers, pure foods, healing plants, and natural solutions that have been available for generations. As the ancient wisdom says, what has been will be again. Today, we will teach you how to create a morning drink that combines 5 powerful ingredients, and that over just 10 days can make you feel lighter, more energized, and in tune with your body. The recipe we are sharing today consists of 5 accessible ingredients, each with a unique and essential role in transforming your health. Warm water, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, ginger, and cinnamon. Together, they work in harmony to reduce bloating, speed up metabolism, balance blood sugar levels, strengthen the immune system, and provide more energy in your daily life. Let's understand the role of each one. We start with the base, warm water. You might think it's too simple, but drinking warm water, especially in the morning, can have profound effects on your digestive system. It relaxes the muscles of the stomach and intestines, facilitates digestion and bowel movement. It also helps eliminate toxins accumulated overnight and gives a small boost to metabolism. Drinking warm water before meals can also help control appetite and prevent those cravings to eat at odd times. For many, this simple practice is a first step towards lighter digestion and a day with less discomfort. The second ingredient is apple cider vinegar, a true natural ally for the body. Made from the fermentation of apples, this golden liquid is known for its beneficial effects on metabolism and digestive health. The acetic acid present in apple cider vinegar helps control blood sugar levels, reducing glucose spikes after meals and preventing those moments of intense hunger. It also contributes to the body burning fat more efficiently, which is especially useful for reducing that fat accumulated in the abdominal area. Additionally, apple cider vinegar strengthens digestion, improves bowel movement, and aids in the absorption of important nutrients for the body. The third component of this mixture is fresh lemon juice, which, in addition to providing a refreshing flavor, is a powerful source of vitamin C and antioxidants. Lemon helps stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and improves the absorption of essential nutrients. It also has an alkalizing effect on the body, helping to balance internal pH, which is crucial for reducing inflammation and keeping the body functioning well. Furthermore, lemon aids in liver detoxification, promoting a gentle and effective cleanse. by starting the day with lemon, you wake up the body and prepare the digestive system to work better throughout the day. Now we come to the fourth ingredient, ginger. This root, with its distinctive and slightly spicy flavor, is one of the oldest natural remedies used by humanity. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory power, which can help reduce joint pain, improve circulation, and even relieve nausea. Additionally, it acts as a natural metabolism booster, helping the body burn calories more efficiently without causing excessive stimulation. Incorporating ginger into your routine is like giving your body a gentle yet powerful boost for balance and vitality. Finally, we have cinnamon. More than just a simple spice. Cinnamon is a powerful ally for health, rich in antioxidants and with antimicrobial properties. It helps protect the body against infections and regulate blood sugar levels. Cinnamon also reduces insulin resistance, facilitating the transport of glucose to the cells, which is essential to prevent fat accumulation, especially in the abdominal area. Moreover, its cozy aroma makes this drink even more enjoyable to consume. Now that you know the power of each ingredient, let's prepare this simple yet powerful drink. In a mug or jar, heat 1 or 2 cups of water until it is warm to the touch, not too hot, so as not to lose the nutrients. Squeeze the juice of half to 1 fresh lemon. Add a tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Include a few thin slices or a pinch of grated ginger, and finish with a sprinkle of ground cinnamon. Mix well and consume preferably on an empty stomach. If you wish, you can divide the drink into 2 portions and take it throughout the day. Always paying attention to your body's response. The recommendation is to drink this beverage every morning, preferably on an empty stomach, for 10 consecutive days. After this period, take a 3-day break before resuming, if desired. Many report feeling the benefits within the first week. Reduced bloating, improved digestion, more energy, and even a noticeable decrease in abdominal circumference. This simple habit, when combined with a balanced diet, adequate water intake, and a routine of gentle movements, such as daily walks, can transform your health in surprising ways. In addition to adopting this drink, it is important to remember that small changes in lifestyle make all the difference. Practicing light walks outdoors, maintaining a diet based on fresh and whole foods, drinking plenty of water throughout the day, and prioritizing good nights of sleep are actions that help the body function better, especially in old age. The body has a natural wisdom, but often, as the years go by, it needs support to continue functioning efficiently. And that's where these simple yet powerful practices come in. Many forget that taking care of health goes beyond the physical. It is also an act of taking a moment to prepare this simple drink and care for yourself is a way of saying, I deserve to be well. I deserve to feel better. It is not just about losing inches or reducing bloating. It is about honoring your body and providing it with the resources to function in balance. And when you start the day like this with a gesture of self-care, the rest of the day seems to flow more lightly and positively. For those of you watching now and thinking, is it still time to change? The answer is yes, it is always time. Health has no age limit for being reclaimed. What matters is to start with what is within your reach, one step at a time. And this simple recipe is an accessible and powerful starting point. Imagine how you will feel waking up with more energy, less discomfort, and more motivation to live your days with joy. Your body appreciates every self-care decision you make today. Here at Healed, our commitment is to walk alongside you. You are not alone on this journey. Every video, every recipe, every word we share here is made with heart, aimed at helping you live better. Life can be challenging, but with small daily actions, we can transform our future. May this recipe be just the beginning of an even greater change, and may you feel proud of every step you take toward your health and happiness. If you've made it this far, congratulations. This shows that you are committed to your health and well-being. Now it's time to put this knowledge into practice. Prepare your drink. Drink with intention and allow yourself to feel the benefits over the next few days. Share your journey with us in the comments. We want to know how you feel. And remember, knowledge only has value when it is put into action. So let's transform this theory into practice together, because your body deserves it. Until next time.